As you can see, for the month of November, we've just smashed it with new content every single day. Now, the other one that we use is, actually I won't hit present, is Excel. And this is how I map out our content every single day. And just want to jump into that spreadsheet. And you guys can do this as well. Is you've got, so this is, if we go down to December, so today is the 11th, and today we're posting this one. So a quick overview of the federal budget update. Over here is actually where the Google folder is of the videos, the copy, everything. So if I click on that, you'll actually see here are the 3 different formats that we have that Splashio has done for us. These 2, I believe, are the transcripts, and here is the blog that we've formatted, including the short copy as well. So that's just, so it's reconciled all in the one spreadsheet, and you can just quickly access these formats. And then I've also got the blogs here, so you could just click directly that we've posted onto our blog, and also YouTube. Now, I think Ben mentioned before with the process with how we post. So generally, I'll email Ben and say, hey, today we're going to be posting this topic. Cool. So Ben's going to jump on the Google Drive folder. He'll copy the copy and then grab the appropriate format for example, for Facebook, he'll grab the square format and he'll post it. Then that gives me cue to then post it across all of the rest of our platforms on our business page. So when Ben does that, I usually put a yes over here. And then when I've completed my end, I put a yes. So yeah, as you can see, for the month of November, we've just smashed it with new content every single day. However, sorry, on weekends, we recycle the content. So yeah, there's some videos that we can recycle on, I guess, every month or every 2 months.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll just go back to our slides. Yeah, I guess that's how we schedule everything, and everything's all in the one place, and it's easy for everyone to know what day we're posting.